Okay, today's tutorial video is going to help parents set up accounts in Khan Academy to view their students' progress, to view what they're doing, when they're doing it, and all the other fun things that Khan Academy tracks, which is a lot. The first step is to get to Khan Academy. So you can type in the URL bar khanacademy.org or Google, and it'll direct you to this page. So now that I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and start as a parent. It gives me three options for creating a parent account. I'm going to go ahead and use continue with Google. And it has already logged me into my Google account and has brought me to this page where it's going to direct me to add a child. So let's go ahead and get started. Add child. Let's go ahead and I'll just add myself and one of my other accounts. So I'm putting in the birthday. So some of this is predicated on how they set their account up. Some students used Facebook and some students use their email, but if they use their email, then you'll need to know specifically what email they use so that you can sync the two accounts. And I'll go ahead and send the invite. Now I'm logging out. Now I'm logging in as the student. So this was the student account that I wanted to sync. So you'll have your child log out, you'll have them, or you'll log out, you'll have your child log in, and it should be somewhere up here in the right corner, notifications. Justin Shalongo wants to register you as your parent. They will have permission to view your activity and make practice recommendations, except as parent request. And now you have a parent account that is synced to your student's account, and from there, learning the ins and outs is just a matter of navigating and trying to see what certain things take you certain places.